Hey there, everybody. I am Mrs. Mills, and I am just making this quick video to introduce myself to you because we're going to be spending this semester together. I thought it would be important that you know who I am so that you know who's on the other side of this, who is sending you emails, and who is grading your work, and who you can reach out to for help. I am super excited to be here. Middle school health is going to be a really fun class. I'm super excited to meet you and get to know you and work with you this semester. Um, a little bit about me, really quick, is I have a husband and three children. And so here's a few pictures of us as a family. My oldest is 8, and then I have a daughter who's 5, and then a baby who's, well, he's not a baby anymore, I guess. He's almost 18 months. And so we do a lot of family stuff together. We love hiking. We love camping. This year we're able to go on camping trips quite a lot this year. We love to ski in the wintertime and we love to kayak. We pretty much just love being outdoors. That's just kind of our go-to thing. Um, Here's a few more pictures of us. We love to go on adventures. My kids love the picture in the middle with the snow is we love to go chop down our own Christmas trees. The picture on the right with my kids on the steps, that's them at we had a house and we sold it last year. And so right now we're actually building a house and we're super excited. It's finishing up right now. And so we're super excited to get into that new home. And anyway, we're pretty excited about that. And then that picture on the bottom, that is our little baby. That was when he was so brand new. He's quite a bit bigger now, but he keeps us busy and he keeps us laughing. My kids and I, like I said, we love going on adventures and we love getting out there and doing things. Um, my husband is a firefighter, so this is a picture of his pipes and drum guy, their band, in the parade, and then that's a picture of, sorry, I'm probably covering it, but a picture of us at a funeral, and my husband was wearing that. Um, because my husband is a firefighter, we are really involved and we know a lot about health and what happens when people don't take care of themselves or when they put themselves in dangerous situations. And unfortunately, there's a lot of accidents that happen and a lot of illnesses that happen. But as a family, we really are trying our best to stay healthy and to stay active. You can probably tell from my other pictures, but we love to be active. We love to get our bodies moving. We love sports. We love, all those things that help us get out there and have fun. And we also are really learning about mental health as well. And you'll find it in this course. We're talking about physical health, mental health, and social health. And so I love learning more and more about these topics. And my family and I, it's really, these things are really important to us. And we really want to stay healthy. So this is something I'm passionate about, and I'm excited to learn with you this semester. And um, it's going to be a great one. A little bit about my education background. I went to BYU, Idaho for my undergrad. I got a degree in education, English and health education. And then I went to National University for my master's degree, which I got in instructional technology. So this is what I love to do. I love to be an online teacher. And then just to finish off this video, I wanted to share this quote with you. I think that it's really important for us to realize that we can try, but it's important that we learn from those moments where we don't succeed or we don't excel at what we're doing. So this is a quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson, who is one of my favorites. He says, "Men succeed when they realize that their failures are the preparation for their victories." And I would go ahead and add in there, he's probably talking about mankind, or saying men and women succeed. Sorry, men and women succeed when they realize that their failures are their preparation for their victories. And I love this. I loved rooting on the underdog, and I think that all of us are underdogs in life. Life is hard, and there's a lot of hard things that get thrown our way. But I always love to see the underdog, learn from their failures and then succeed and have a growth mindset and know that they can keep on trying. And so this is what I hope for myself, for my children, and I wish it for you guys. I hope that you guys will be able to learn from all of your experiences in order to propel you forward and in order to help you gain that victory later on. We're all here learning, trying our best, and we're all going to fail at times, but I hope we can overcome those failures and learn from them and carry on. So I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm really excited to meet you guys. I'll see you in the course. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm here for you, and I really want to see you succeed in this course. So anyway, have a great summer, and I'll see you in class.